Hi, my name is Shauna King. I'm an educational consultant, trainer, and speaker, and I love Talkadot. Before Talkadot, I just used to ask the schools or the conferences that I spoke at, please let me know if you get any feedback. Let me know. And many times they didn't. I mean, no fault of theirs. They just were doing other things. What Talkadot has allowed me to do is to be empowered and independent in collecting my own feedback. I feel confident knowing when I walk out, when I finish a training, that I have the audience's immediate response, and that is wonderful. In addition, being able to know that they have the opportunity right from their seat to let me know if there's, hey, someone I think might enjoy having you speak at their school or speak at their event or with their organization without having to figure out how to find somebody, ask somebody later, or get a business card or anything. I've got their email, I've got their information right there through the use of the quick 2-minute survey with the QR code. So I love Talkadot. I just wish I had found it earlier. It's a wonderful tool, and I'm excited to continue to use it as part of my business.